Yo, 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 I got something to show. And this is Mrs. Dro. Okay, just feeling a little bit groovy because we are going to take a look at Groove Pizza. It looks so funky, doesn't it? So let me show you guys around. Here is a plain pizza. So that's where you can start from scratch. Down here on the left is volume. So you can make it louder and softer right there with your volume button. Beats per minute is the tempo. Basically, yeah, you can go wherever you want with that. Today you get to really just explore this app, but I hope to have an assignment with a rap coming up soon, so just get used to it. This will swing your eighth notes, and that's just raising the level of swing or not. Swing is, well, straight eighth notes go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and or t t t t t t or do day do day do day. Different people say different things. So if you're going to swing them, they're not straight. They're not da 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 da. They're do da 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 do ba swung. One is longer than the other, and it is really kinda jazzy. So swinging is do ba do ba do ba. Straight is da 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 da. Two very different kinds of eighth notes, okay? And jazz people swing them a lot, but they don't always, I guess. And then these are the slices of pizza that you can get. So you can see I'm going down in my slices. We're at 6 slices, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 slices, but heading back up here to 16, I think is the most. There's 16 slices, okay? So that's what those are all about. If you click in the middle, you get different genres, I guess. Techno, Afro-Latin, hip-hop, jazz, and rock. So that's really cool. So don't forget about that. This is your drum grid. So basically, Groove Pizza is going to make different drum rhythms, beats, patterns. And so here's our 16 slices of pizza, I guess, right here. So this is one way to do it. You can also click up here. The outer circle is the bass drum. The inner circle, so this is like a drum kit or a drum set. Inner circle is the snare drum. And then the way inner circle, small circle, is the hi-hat. Now, a typical backbeat for a drum, like if I were to just go down to 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. If I take this down to 8, hello. On a typical backbeat, the bass drum would play on 1 and the third beat. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the snare drum would play on 2 and 4, if I'm doing this right. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and the hi-hat would play on all of them. So you can see it kind of connects these like a web. Pretty cool way to look at this. Then we can play this. Now, to see down here, it automatically filled in my drum grid. Here's what it sounds like then. Oh, I've got a lot of swing on, apparently. That's interesting. Okay. Also, so this is a measure. These are 4 measures down here. So I really want all of these to be that way. So I'm playing with this. Okay, so now that one is the same. And then I would like this one to be the same. Hello. Clicking outside the circle turns it on. But you want to make sure the others are turned off, I guess, when you do this. So I'm actually just going to keep these the same. And, see, I missed that one. But this last one I think I'll do something different with. So I'm going to turn this one off. So if you click on the outside of the circle, it turns it on when it's colored and turns it off when it's like that. So this one, let's do something different, I guess. I'll do that with my bass drum maybe. And maybe here also. And then with my snare drum, I'm going to go just right there. And my hi-hat, I'm going to do every other one. Let's see what this sounds like. So now, oh, see, I accidentally changed this one. I didn't want to change that one. I thought I was changing this one. So I did something wrong. Okay, well, keep that one there. And then this one, I see I clicked on the circle to get that empty. So now I'm going to have these two are the same. That one's different. So I'll just make this one be the same as those other two. Star Trek. An adventure. Okay, so let's listen to this. Wow, that sounds crazy. Here we go. You notice I'm playing with the swing button over here. Those are straight now, and here's swung. Okay, now I'm going to go in here and change the actual genre. I really love After Latin. Oh, that's so cool. That's an awful lot of cowbell. Yikes. Back to hip-hop. Jazz. You'd want to swing it, right? It's an awful lot of cymbal. Not sure I'm liking that too much. And then another one was rock. Techno. Okay, so you get the idea right there. And you can then pause it. Okay, so just a few other buttons before you get to playing. Here is a shapes button. So if you take your shapes over here, it'll just, I think, right? Oh, I think I had to click on it first. Now, where are my shapes? Okay, well, no, I don't want to do that. Is it adding shapes over there? Oh, sorry, this is shapes button. So I can click here 3 and I can drag it over there and it's going to make something. And I can click a 4 and I guess I can grab it to different places, then drag it to different places. And let's go with a 6, I guess. What's that sound like? Very cool. Oh, I see. So this shape circle here, it turns them on or off. So there it fills them in, and here they're not filled in. Now this is pretty cool, especially for you math people. This A button on the bottom circle here on the left, see my mouse going crazy? So that was the turn the shapes on or off. This is the angles. So it'll tell us what the angle, the degree of the angle is here. And so this is kind of a nice little math thing, especially for any math geeks out there, which is way cool. That's a cool thing. Okay, so when you find a really good pattern you like that you have created, feel free to send it to me. If you click over here on the left where it says share, see that Pac-Man thing? That's so cool. You can share link. That's how it's best to share with me. So if you just share link, it's got the link right here. Just, make it blue. And then you could do a copy. I think it's probably already copied, but I'm not sure. Copy is, hold down the control key, click letter C while control is held down. CTRL is control. CTRL, bottom left of your Chromebook. Then you would need to go into like your Google Classroom where I'm going to have this assignment. And you click in October 2, there's Get Groovy with Groove Pizza. You could go in here, view assignment, and you can, I have to go into my friend's Facebook because this is the teacher view, so let me go to my friend's Facebook page. Once you get to view assignment, you can submit that link. So you just click here, add or create, and you go to link, and you push control and hold it, press letter V. There is the link. You add it. And once it loads, and you get a green button here, it says turn in. You click turn in, and then you have to click turn in again. That way I could see your link. But if you do not want to share with me, you do not have to. So you just go to town and have a blast with Groove Pizza. Okay, guys? All right. Bye.